Hey guys, welcome to day one officially of BOGOs, and it is purchase, purify, and you get citronella for free. So let's dig in. These oils are very summer friendly, and it's funny, think of purify, goodbye odors, and goodbye creepy crawly bugs. So purify specifically, we're not going to put that there, is great for basically cleaning, and it's great for popping in that laundry, especially if you have some boys in the house, if laundry is extra stinky from hockey gear and playing all the sports outside. I like putting a little bit of couple drops into my actual laundry detergent and running the cycle, and then putting it in the dryer and putting a couple drops on my dryer balls, and everything comes out super fresh and super clean. As well, this oil is great for, like, if you have some stinky, smelly shoes or garbage. I like throwing just a cotton ball or an old piece of paper and throwing it in there, and everything smells refreshed. So air fresheners specifically don't actually get rid of the smells. It actually puts a coat over it so you can't smell the thing that's either rotting, dying, whatever. But purify, the way that it works with essential oils, it actually goes to the root issue and actually helps get rid of that bad bacteria. So it's not coating the smell, it's helping it just disintegrate and move on. And the final cool tip about purify is this time of year, everyone's outside. You may be getting bitten by those creepy crawlies. In a pinch, especially if it's a sting and it's red and swollen and angry, pop a diluted drop of purify over that area and you will be pleasantly surprised on how quickly that resolves. Citronella. Bye-bye bugs. I hate going hiking and being swarmed. What's really cool about citronella is that it's not like coating your skin with it. It's actually hiding your natural smell, your human smell, your pheromones, to trick the insects so they don't land on you. So I was actually just reading a little bit about citronella before hopping on here, and specifically, bugs can get used to specific synthetic chemicals found in natural over-the-counter repellent blends. But what's cool about nature is that this is such a complex chemical composition, the bugs aren't easily as tricked. So that's super cool. So you can throw it into either some distilled water with a little bit of witch hazel or vodka, so alcohol, and then add about 10 to 15 drops to a small bottle and you can spray yourself. Can be used safely on dogs as well. Just make sure it's diluted properly. I like buying the outdoor blend TerraShield and adding a couple extra drops of citronella to that area. So a couple other cool things about this oil specifically, if you are detoxing from illicit substances, including alcohol, to negate some of those overwhelming symptoms, you can use this to support your liver pathway. Doing that, you just apply it diluted to the bottoms of your feet or applying it straight over your liver area to support your organs, which is super cool. As well, if you are experiencing some oxidative stress in your cells, some stress in your cells from exterior things happening in your life, and some cells are kind of going a little haywire, so some angry mutated cells, this is a super great oil to help support natural apoptosis of your cells, so aka cell death. So in situations where the cell has gone haywire and you don't want it replicating, you want to support the cells into proper cell death. And this is a great oil to support your body's natural way of doing things in that area. So I hope you learned something new with these two oils. How do you love to use these blends? They're super powerful, and I hope you guys enjoy these summertime blends. Bye for now.